Hello, Kelvin here, and in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a shopping cart Navbar like this. So, as you can see, I have these are what we call label for our shopping cart website, and on this side, I have this icon, okay, for a cart, and you can see here this is a padding, and with a white background, and also I have this cart amount and with a red background. Now, as you can see this number, we have a color. This color is something in this color. Here, you're going to have so many colors, right? Let me open this one here. And down here, you can check. I picked this color here, gray. So this is the color code I picked and I worked it on this project, right? Now this video, just watch out this video. I'm going to do a thorough video on this one. So I want you to prepare your Visual Studio code editor. Make sure you have a file called index.html. You have a folder inside with some images which you're going to use, right? These are images. So these images, you can download them from pixel.com or Unsplash website. You can have these images. Now we also have this on script.js, okay, and then we have a style CSS file here. So guys, in the next video, we're going to start off building something like this. All right, welcome again. And as I promised that I'm going to do this project. Now check the previous video. I already shown you what I'm going to do. Now this video, I have a title here for this project called shopping cart. And within the header tag, I have this link for, I have this link that is CDN for icons. Like if you want to get this, come to this website called Bootstrap. Bootstrap 5. Then you can go to this, you can click on this link here, right? And from there, you click on this icons here, right? Now install here, install, and here you have the CDN. You can copy this link here. After you've copied this link here, come to your editor, then paste it here. It should be within the heading, the header tag, right? Now let me start off the project. Now in the body section, I am going to create a class called Navbar, and with this Navbar, we are going to have the title, the heading, and this heading should be, I'll say, clothing store, right? I have to create another class, and that class should be cut. We need to have a cut just right away after the title, the heading of our project. Then we need to have another class, and this class will be cut amounts, like that. Then here you can say 0 because it has to start from 0, like that, right? Now within this here, within this cut here, we need to bring in the CDN for that icon, for icon that represent a cut, and we're going back to our Bootstrap, and down here, within the icon here, let's search for, call it cuts, can search cuts, just like that. Then you have so many cuts here. I will have to pick one, and I'm going to work with this one here. Click on that, then copy this CDN here. Okay, we have this link here. You copy and paste. Now you copy it, come to your editor, and down here we paste it here, right? Now we can check on our browser to see the changes that occurred. Okay, now you can see we have clothing store, that is the heading, and we have the cart icon here, and we have the cart amount here. Now let me go back to my editor here, right? So this one is related to heading 2 h2, that is. Now I need to go back to my CSS file. Let me open it. Then here I will say padding to be 0, and margin here to be 0 as well. Then box sizing, box minus sizing, that is border minus box, like that. Now if you can check on our browser, you see they have moved to this side. You see it's being aligned to this side here, because you have made padding to be 0 and margin to be 0, right? Now we need to work on the body, and here I'll say body. Okay, I will say font family to be SS, right? Just like that. Now let me go to this class Navbar. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to style it here, dot Navbar. Now we need to have this background, the background of this Navbar to be this color. Now come to this side called open color. It's called open color, right? Here you're going to pick, you can click on this first link here, open color, and here you're going to have so many colors that you can work for your projects. Here you see, very interesting, and I'm going to pick this color here. I'm going for this one, picking this one, gray. Let me pick this one here. You can copy the CDN from here and paste it here. So you can say this one. So that's the background. Now if we can check, see, okay, now our Navbar, this is the background, that is okay, right? You can, now we need to change the color of our text here and icon here, and here you are just going to say within the body, here you can say color to be white, right? And down here you can say z minus index to be 2. Now let's check. Okay, now it looks good. Now the next thing we need to do is to move this cut and this cut amount to this side. Now watch out that part. All right, let's continue with this part. This is where I had left, and I would like to continue and make this one better. But before that, some of you have been asking me about my YouTube channel, and this is the channel, Suri ICT. As you can see, I have like 987 subscribers. Guys, I need to hit at least 1,000 subscribers. So if you find my video providing some value to you, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will appreciate a lot. Now let me come back to the project. Now you see here, I need to do the first thing. I need to work on this first. I need to move this one on this side. Now this way you're going to apply something called flex. Now to do that, just come to this navbar, then say display flex. Guys, if you do not understand this, now check out. You see, it has moved this content to this side. Now the next thing is justify content space between. If you are going to do that, guys, it will move this content here, this cut icon and zero this amount here to this side. Now let me try that and see. Now I'm going to say justify, choose content, then say space between. Okay, now let's take. Okay, now you can see it has moved this content to this side. How it has created a space between. Now you can check this one. This label is on this side and we don't want to be like that. I want to move them at least closer. Now here we are going to apply something called padding. So you say padding. Now let's create a space top and bottom. I'm going to say it to be 10 pixels. Then from the end, the other side now, from the other margin, I'm going to say this one 10%. Like that. That is from left and right. We are going to have a space. Now let me say, when you check, there you are. Okay, let me refresh. Okay, now it looks good. It has created some space on this side and on this side. So guys, watch out the next part.